Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Now you must install the Nginx web server, mariadb-PHP and other PHP extension to your system. You can install it all by running the following command. Once all the packages are installed, edit the php-ini file and change some default PHP settings. Change the following lines. Save and close the file, then restart the php-fpm servers to apply the changes. Next, we will need to create a database and user for FUEL-CMS. First, log into the mariadb console with the following command. Once you are connected, create a database and user with the following commands. After that, flush the privileges and exit from the mariadb. First, create a directory to store FUEL-CMS content with the following command. Next, navigate to the FUEL-CMS directory and download the latest version of FUEL-CMS with the following command. Once the download is completed, unzip the file by running the next command. Next, move all the content from the extracted directory to your current directory with the following command. Edit the database PHP file and define your database settings. Change the following lines. Next, import the FUEL-CMS gem to the FUEL database with the following command. And edit my FUEL-PHP and enable the admin login. Save and close the file, then create a session directory and set proper permission. Now let's configure the Nginx for FUEL-CMS. First, create a Nginx virtual host configuration file to serve FUEL-CMS. Add the following lines. Save and close the file, then verify the Nginx for any syntax error with the following command. After that, restart the Nginx service to apply the changes. You can now verify the status of Nginx with the following command. Now open your web browser and access the FUEL-CMS using your URL. Provide the default admin username and password as admin and click on the login button. You should see the password reset screen. Click on the reset password button. You should see the screen where you can change the password. All what you needed is to provide your new password and click on the save button. Now you can work with the FUEL-CMS. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.